Hi there everybody, my name's Aaron with Veloci, and today we're diving into an important yet often overlooked accessory for your pressure washer, the nozzle guard. Veloci Performance has traditionally offered the Aqualine Nozzle Guard series, made out of 3/16 stainless steel. But today we are here to talk about the newest additions to our nozzle guard family. You might be wondering, what exactly is a nozzle guard? Well, it's a protective cover that fits over the nozzle of your pressure washer. We have several different versions of this. First is our Aqualine Nozzle Guard, which comes in blue, is made from 3/16 stainless steel and comes with a stainless steel plug. The second is our NH35 Nozzle Guard series, which is zinc plated, black, and rated to 4,500 PSI, making these the most cost-effective of the four options. And lastly, we have the NHS 45 and the NPS 45 nozzle guards, which are made from 303 stainless steel and gray in color. The difference between these two are the NPS 45 is a two-piece nozzle guard and the other is a single-piece nozzle guard. Now let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, nozzle guards help prevent accidental injuries. When you're using a pressure washer, the water can be incredibly powerful and a nozzle guard acts as a barrier, reducing the risk of harm to yourself and others. Another great advantage is that they help protect the nozzle itself from damage, as well as the items that you are cleaning, such as a vehicle, a house, or a deck. By keeping debris and dirt away, nozzle guards can extend the life of your pressure washer and save you money on repairs. Lastly, they're super easy to install and remove, making your pressure washing experience smoother and more enjoyable. So if you want to enhance your safety, protect your equipment, and boost your cleaning power, consider investing in a nozzle guard for your pressure washer. Thanks for tuning in and happy washing.